now we're going to talk about how to use essential oils topically. Now the great thing about essential oils is that you can put essential oils on your kids' skin. Not just kids, adults too, right? And a lot of us, we don't like to ingest things, and so essential oils are great because obviously we can use them in 3 different ways, and that gives us a lot of options of how we can use them. So this is what I like to do with my kids. Let's say, for example, let's say we need respiratory support, right? Now, I will tell you there are 6 different oils in this kit that you could use for respiratory support, which is pretty fascinating. And it's just so versatile. That's why I love it. You can use them for everything. So let's say your kid has a cough, or you have a cough, or you're having a hard time breathing. I like to put some drops of Raven, maybe some peppermint, maybe some frankincense, and add it to a roller. And I'll teach you guys how to use a roller also. And then you would put it in a roller and add some carrier oils such as fractionated coconut oil or olive oil or any sort of oil that you have, because it's fatty. It helps the absorption of the oil slow down so it won't cause a reaction on your skin, and it helps the oils last longer. So then you would just roll it all over them, right? All over the chest, on the bottoms of the feet for sure, on the inners of your wrists, back, everywhere, anywhere you can think of. Just be careful around getting it on your face or around your eyes, right? Because it can burn. Now, it's amazing what essential oils do. They can get into our bodies just by being applied to our skin within seconds. And they can affect all of our systems in our body, and it's pretty fascinating. So that's why you're using them essential oils topically is pretty cool, and it's very effective. So, all right, on to the next one. Bye.